Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from Wise account to PayPal account. So for that you need to open up your Wise account, and after that click on this option of send money. And this is not a direct way to send money from your Wise account to PayPal account, so we have to work around. And for that you need to click on this option of same currency, and then choose your currency and the amount that you want to send to PayPal. After that you can select whether you want low cost or high cost. It is usually just the lower cost on this option, so just click on continue and provide your bank details. After that, transfer money to your bank account, and after transferring the money to your bank account you can transfer the money to PayPal account. And this is how you have to transfer from Wise to PayPal. There is not a direct way. Even if you try to put your email address which is of PayPal, you won't be able to send money directly. So it's better to send money using your bank account instead of losing your funds. So this is how you do it. Just select myself over here and then provide the details whether you are inside Europe or outside Europe, and click on confirm. And this way you will be able to review it and then pay it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.